We have to color it like this. Next, we need a stapler. We have to take a pencil and put it like this to the pencil.
Ma'am, sides it's coming so much water, ma'am, but it's not go. Candle is not agreeing, ma'am. See, ma'am, it's only go.
With the help of spoon, we should mix the salt and water till the salt dissolves. Now we should add the lemon in the water. See how it is floating? In the another glass also we should add the lemon. See, it is not floating, it is sinking. Now I have completed the activity.
It is sinking. In the other glass, add 2 spoons of salt. Let's mix it until salt dissolves. Take the lemon and put it in the glass. See, it is floating because salt contains higher density. So, lemon contains lower density.
Now we should keep when baking soda and vinegar mixed together, it creates a gas called carbon dioxide. The gas began.
I am from 5th B. Today I am doing an experiment on importance of hand wash. First, you need to add some. For that, we need water, hand wash, pepper, and a plate. Let's start the experiment. First, you need to add some water.
Good morning everybody, my name is Vidya and I am from class 5B. Today I am gonna do science experiment for the science day. The topic is bubble inside a bubble. For that we need water in a jar, sugar, detergent, straws and tablespoon. Take the water and add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it.
Hello everyone, I'm Shiv Saket from grade 5C. Today I'm going to show you simple science experiment. That is snake bubbles. Let's start. First we should take a bowl and fill it with water. Then we should take some dish soap and mix it with the water. Mix it well. Save for later. Now take a plastic water bottle. Now cut the end of this water bottle. Now take a cloth. Now, hello everyone, my name is Hansika from 5th C. I am going to do science experiment. Now let's start. Needed ingredients are some water and 2 tablespoons dish soap. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Lakshmi Kirtana from 5th D. Today is our National Science Day. So today I'm gonna do an experiment. For today's experiment we need balloon, rough cloth and some thermocol balls. Now let's start the experiment. Take the balloon and rub it with the rough cloth. After rubbing with the rough cloth, take it to the thermocol balls. Now it attracts.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lasya Priya. I am studying in 5th class D section. Today I am going to make a science experiment. For that we need lemon pieces, detergent, a turmeric, water and a bowl. First add the turmeric into the bowl. Next add water. Mix it well. Now the color of the water is in yellow. Let's add detergent to it. Mix it well. Now the color of the water is in reddish brown. So let's add.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sindhu Asni. I am from 5th grade. Today I am doing an experiment. First we have to take a water and we have to pour. Next we have to take matchbox and we have to throw it. Match stickers in water. Next we have to wait for 1 minute. We have to try. We have to take matchbox and we have to try. No. No. Next we have to take Next we have to take Colgate paste and we have to.
Hi everyone, my name is C.S. Sarcharan. I am studying 5th D class. I am doing about science experiment, atmosphere percentage. For experiment, we should want 1 glass of water. I already take 1 glass of water and 1 cardboard piece. And we should get here and press it tightly all the edges. And after we press it, turn like this. Oh, you see?
And throw 6 sticks and after 1 minute we have to try it. No, it is not good. And take another three. Now take a Colgate paste. Now take matchbox and throw in water. We have to take it out and clean it. Now do like this.
See, it is sinking. And we need 2 spoons of salt to put in this glass. and mix well. I'm putting this lemon in this. See, it is floating because this is floating because the salt makes the higher density.
Now, some water and a piece of cardboard. First, we should pour the water. Next, we should keep this cardboard and press it. And now, see, this cardboard is stick to this container.
Black and dip it in the water. See, it will become colorful. All is better. Now
Take a 200 milliliters glass and pour some dish soap in it. Mix it. You could make a bubbles on it. You could make a bubbles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.
Add 8 lemon. See, it is sinking. In another glass, first we have to add 2 tablespoons of salt. We have to mix till dissolves completely. We have to add another.
we have to pour water in a glass. Then the water level should be equal. Then we will take one lemon and we'll do in this. It's sinking. Then let us add next one. Let us add 2 spoons of salt in this. Dissolve. Now let us do in this neem.
First, take a cup of salt and pour it in the glass. After putting in the glass, take 2 lemons of same size and put the 1 lemon in normal water and 1 more lemon in salt water. You can see the lemon in salt water is floating and the lemon in normal water is settling down.
In items of experiment, this is the tap water and the salt water should dissolve. 2 spoons of salt water, it should be dissolved in the water, and the 2 same size of lemons. In the tap water, it is sinking. It is floating because the salt contains higher density.
Some detergent. Mix it. See, the color is changing to red. Reddish brown. Now add little bit of lemon juice. Now mix it. Again the color is changed to yellow.
Now take the lemon and keep into the glass. See, it is sinking. In another glass,
Take the salt. Add 2 spoons of common salt. And mix till the salt dissolves completely. And take the lemon and keep into the glass.